Hi everyone, this is Sumita. In today's video, we will see how to resolve an error that we encounter while doing automation using Karate framework. The error is cannot run program C program files x86 the Google path Google Chrome application chrome.exe. So basically the path for chrome.exe will be given, and you will be also have messages like disable pop-up blocking etc will come. Okay, so we will see why this error is coming and how we can resolve this error. I taken a sample program. This program I have already done in my earlier video. There I have actually included certain details so that the error doesn't come. In this video I'll explain why it comes and what we have to do. Just take this example program. It is just opening Google and then clicking typing YouTube and then clicking OK. That's all. And you have a runner file. So runner file is nothing but a single line in which you have opened the feature file. Okay. So we just need to execute it. So how we will execute? We will run this runner file and then you provide run here. Okay, so if you see here, it will keep polling, so we can even stop. If you see here, there is an error. Okay, so what that error says, it says command error, and it gives the path for chrome.exe. No first run user data, all this comes. Disable pop-up blocking, cannot run the program. Finally it says the system cannot find the file specified. Okay, so what is the reason why when we have Chrome in our machine, why it is not certainly looking for it? Okay, so for that we should understand how the framework is designed. Okay, so in Karate framework, when we can see that I'll open it, got closed. We can see that there is a default path set for the Chrome driver. We will search x86. So you can see here for Chrome the default executable path is nothing but the x86 path. Okay, so this is the path that is given by default in Karate framework. So whenever we don't specify any path, it automatically takes the path of x86. Okay, so that's fine. Our machine might be 64-bit and x86 might be the correct path. But I also went through another article, okay, which is like Google Chrome is soon going to be. So this came in 2020 last year. Right? So you can see that it has given initially the path for 64-bit installation was inside C program files x86, but starting soon, so I'm not sure soon is what, but now it is. Okay, starting soon Google Chrome will install in C program files folder by default on Windows if it is a 64-bit installer. Okay, so I actually uninstalled Chrome and reinstalled because I encountered this issue, but I found that it got installed only in program files. So if you see in my machine under program files Google, there is no x86 Google, there is no folder called application, and I am not having the Chrome executable. Okay, but if you see that inside the directly under program files, you can see Google Chrome application chrome.exe is available. So what we have to do, we have to uh, provide the path for this chrome.exe in our program. That's what we have to do for it to work correctly. Okay, so for that, how we have to give, we have something called configure driver. Okay, so where you can do some configuration in Karate. Oh, configure driver. Okay, we'll go to home so that the first occurrence is taken. If you search, so there is something called driver configuration is given, right? So here if you see, you can give something called executable. Okay, so executable is a detail that you can provide. Fine. So what they are saying is, if you can give the path in a batch and then proceed, okay. If you want to customize the startup, you can use the batch file and all this. So in that they are saying you can, this path and all can be given. Okay, even in example you can see x86 only. So what we can do is we can directly give the path of executable instead of doing all this setup everything. Okay, so how we will do the configure driver so that we don't encounter the error. Okay, so that's what we are going to do now. For that, let us go to Eclipse. So here, since the driver detail we'll be using always in everywhere, we can put it under background. Okay, so inside background, just give configure driver. Okay, and then equal to, within flat bracket, type colon Chrome. So Chrome is what, if you don't give any browser, automatically it takes Chrome. Okay, and executable, you give the path of it. Okay, so path, we will give the exact path where it is. So this is the path where Chrome is available. So give the path, the complete path, slash chrome dot exe. Okay, and everywhere you put 2 slash for the path. Sorry, here okay, and then the last one. So we are given the path for Chrome. So now save it. Sorry, go to runner. We'll close this, and when you go to runner and run this program, you can see that Chrome got opened. Okay, because you have actually given the path where the exe is available. So now it is able to search the path for Chrome, and hence it opened it, and it has done whatever we had expected it to do. So it opened YouTube and then it will close. That's all. You can see that you have got green color and there is no error that has come, and it has got executed. Okay, so this is how you will resolve the error. So if at all you have installed Chrome recently, earlier you wouldn't have got this error, but now it would have come because it would be inside program files. Okay, then you should have got, you might have got this error. This is not only for Chrome, any other browser, if the path is different, you can provide that in the install executable. Okay, so try this if you face that issue, and in my subsequent videos I will provide more details. Thank you. Bye.